1. Fable. She read a famous fable about a tortoise and a hare. Many cultures have fables that teach moral lessons. 2. Facilities. The hotel has excellent facilities, including a pool and gym. They provided temporary facilities for the outdoor event. 3. Facsimile. She sent a facsimile of the document by fax. The museum displayed a facsimile of the original manuscript. 4. Fact. It's a fact that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The novel is based on facts, not fiction. 5. Factory. The factory produces hundreds of cars each day. He works at a chocolate factory downtown. 6. Faculty. The university has an excellent faculty in the field of science. His faculty for remembering facts is impressive. 7. Faint. She felt faint from standing in the sun too long. There was a faint smell of roses in the air. 8. Fairness. The judge's fairness in the trial was praised. Fairness is important when dividing resources among people. 9. Fairy. The child believed there was a fairy in the garden. The story is filled with fairy tales and magic. 10. Faith. She has faith in her friend's honesty. Their faith helped them through tough times. 11. Faithful. The dog has been a faithful companion for years. They are faithful to their promises. 12. Fake. The painting was discovered to be a fake. He wore a fake mustache as part of his costume. 13. Falcon. The falcon soared high above the mountains. A trained falcon was used in the hunting demonstration. 14. Fallout. The fallout from the scandal affected everyone. There was fallout from the nuclear test. 15. False. She made a false statement in court. He gave a false alarm to the fire department. 16. False teeth. Her false teeth made her smile look natural. He bought new false teeth after losing his old ones. 17. Fame. She achieved fame with her first novel. His fame spread across the country.